Now with the Rokoko Smart Gloves, you can stream full performance motion capture, including body, hands, and face, to Blender live using the free Rokoko Blender plugin. A download link for the plugin and instructions are in the description below. Let's take a look. So here I am in Blender with a rigged character that I want to stream some mocap to. For this workflow, you'll need your character to be in a T-pose, and if you want to stream facial mocap, you'll need a character rigged with the 52 standard Apple ARKit blend shapes. For more info on characters with blend shapes, check out our other tutorials, but this exact same workflow will also work just with characters that have their bodies rigged. Before we drive this model with our mocap, we also want to make sure that the fingers are as close to our Rokoko format as possible, which usually means reorienting the thumbs. Ideally, you want your character's hands to be posed like this in order to get the best results. Otherwise, your character's thumbs may not be rotated correctly after adding the mocap. Select your character and then you can get into pose mode and reorient the thumbs. Okay, now that our character is all prepped, we can jump into Rokoko Studio. As you can see, I'm already in my Smartsuit and Smartgloves, and I just need to connect my iPhone X for facial capture. You can refer to our other tutorials for info on how to set up and pair this hardware. Now that I have my full performance capture up and running, I'll click on Start Livestream, and then I'll enable the Blender module. I can click this gear icon to see what port I'm using. So at this point, we can open Blender back up and navigate to the Rokoko plugin tab. First things first, make sure to update the plugin in this dropdown so you have the most recent version. After you've done that, if you hit Start Receiver, you should see your suit and face capture information down below. To start actually streaming to our character, we'll click on our armature or skeleton, and then under Attach to Actor, we'll select the name of our actor profile in Rokoko Studio. Then we'll hit Auto Detect to automatically build the character's bone list. This should automatically populate, but if it doesn't, you may have to add the corresponding bones in manually. Afterwards, if you just hit Save, this list will populate automatically the next time you work with this character. Then you'll hit Set as T-pose, basically just defining the character as being in a T-pose, and then our character will start to receive our live mocap data. Okay, so body and hands are looking good, but to enable face capture streaming, we'll click on the actual mesh of the character. Then under Face, you can select the name of the face that you have running in Rokoko Studio. And then when you hit Auto Detect, the mesh will start being driven by our face capture in real time. Again, you need a character that is already rigged with the standard 52 blend shapes for this to work, but that's it. Now you are streaming full performance capture from Rokoko Studio directly into Blender. You can use this workflow for previs or to get the hang of a character's dimensions, and we hope that this tutorial was helpful. And please check out our other Blender tutorials if you have any other questions, or always feel free to put them in the comments below. Thanks so much, everyone, and keep having fun mocapping out there.